I like the feeling to remove that plastic. OneGX1. This is the instructions. Yeah, we can find some information in here, like the contact models, X input and D input. Also, the function keys. Very useful. Oh, made me surprised then. They are packed. Oh. This is the detectable handles. Here is the charge port. Type-C. How to say the feeling when I hold these controls? Feel very comfortable, and the button is responsive, very nice too. Plastic, but the feel isn't very nice. I like this bag. Okay, the most important things. Look at our OneGX1 Pro. I love the full black color. Instructions. Instructions. We still can find some fast setting when we first turn the Okay, first to turn the device on, this instruction will be very useful too. What else inside? This is a charger. Oh, sorry, my bad. Little tight. This way. It's a Type-C cable. Type-C. Support PD charge. This is a charger adapter. The max is PD5 with. I think we no need to worry about the charge speed. Okay, that's all inside. The boxes made me feel very stronger. Seems it's designed very cute. That's all the things we'll get in our OneGX1 Pro package. Now let's see our store, the OneGX1 Pro. OneGX1 Pro for black. Okay, thank you for watching. That's the first unboxing of OneGX1 Pro. See you next time.